To whom a car driver must give way. A complex traffic problem with a streetcar and a bicycle. Who should the driver of a white car give way to? Answer options. 1. A streetcar. 2. A streetcar and a bicyclist. 3. Only the bicyclist. 4. A streetcar and a blue car. 5. Should not give way to anyone. 6. Must give way to everyone. Note, since there are no traffic lights, no traffic controller, and no priority signs in the image, this intersection is unregulated and the roads are equinoctial. Traffic intersections can be extremely confusing, especially when it comes to an intersection with streetcar tracks. Therefore, you should remember that streetcars have priority in many traffic situations. For example, according to the rule, at any unregulated intersection, a streetcar, regardless of its direction of onward movement, has priority over non-rail vehicles approaching it on an equivalent road. However, in view of the right-of-way rule, which says that at an intersection of equal-sign roads, the driver of a non-relay vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, we can conclude that the driver of the white auto in this situation does not have to let the driver of the blue auto pass. To understand whether a bicyclist must give way to the driver of a white car, we should remember the rule of thumb. At regulated and unregulated intersections, the driver, turning right or left, must give way to pedestrians crossing the roadway to which he turns, as well as to bicyclists moving straight ahead in the opposite direction. Therefore, the driver of the white auto must give way to the bicyclist. Correct answer. Since the driver of the white car must give way to the streetcar and the cyclist, but must not give way to the driver of the blue car, the correct answer is 2.